Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to massage my beautiful mom because she is experiencing some back pain. So I decided to give her a therapeutic Swedish massage with some deep work integrated into the session. Feel free to grab some tea or coffee and just relax because I'm going to talk about why I'm doing what I'm doing during the session, my massage techniques, and overall how massage can reduce your stress. And I'll also give a little bit of updates in my life. So as you see, I'm just going up and down the back with longer and more flowy strokes. Now this technique is actually called Effleurage, and Effleurage is used in a lot of Swedish and therapeutic massage. Its long strokes help the client feel soothed, it helps them feel more relaxed and calm for the session. Now in this moment, I'm really just trying to feel my mom's muscles and see where her stress and tension lies. And from what I'm feeling, I can really sense a lot of stress and tension in her upper back. And this is why I'm trying to release a lot of the knots and tight muscles in this area. Now I'm sure you've heard a lot of people say that they have knots in their body, especially in their shoulders or in their back. And it is quite difficult to explain what knots are. Maybe that's for a different video, but pretty much when your muscles are irritated, the muscle fibers bundle up and it causes these knots. And what really causes the specific knots are due to many reasons, but some of them include repetitive motions, poor posture, overusing certain muscles, and even chronic stress. But don't worry because knots aren't too harmful for the body. You just might feel some pain when you touch the knot. And that's why it's beneficial to get massages every now and then, because it can really take away a lot of the stress and tension in the muscles and make you feel a lot healthier and even more active in your daily life. Alright, so now it's actually time to get a little bit deeper into my mom's muscles. So as you can see, I am using my forearms now and elbows. Earlier when I was using my hands and my fingertips to massage my mom, I was really just trying to feel the body, so the pressure wasn't too deep. It was more so light to medium pressure. So I'm using my forearms and elbows as I approach the upper back because that's where I felt a lot of the tensions. So the forearm and elbow are really great tools when you want to work deeper into a muscle. And when you're doing deeper work, make sure to move slow and slowly sink into the muscles because with deeper work you are moving deeper into the other layers of the muscles. But you also want to make sure that you aren't causing your client pain, and always check in with them and see how it's feeling because you don't want them to feel even worse after a massage. So I found several knots in my mom's shoulder blade, so at this point I just lifted up her shoulder and now I'm just digging deeper into the shoulder blade and releasing those knots. This is why I find massage therapy to be so rewarding. I love seeing people, and especially family members, just feel so much more relaxed, stress-free. And one time my dad said that he felt 10 years younger after I massaged him because, you're massaging the muscles, you're massaging all the knots out, you're making them feel more relaxed. And it's basically just a form of self-care that I absolutely am in love with, and this is why I love doing the work that I do. I am passionate about it, and it is tiring, but it's worth it. And now I found a distinct knot in my mom's back. So I'm doing something called trigger point release, where I'm going at the knot in every direction, every angle, just trying to release that knot as best as I can. And And then after some deeper work and trigger point release, I like going back into my flowy, softer effleurage strokes just so that my mom feels more relaxed as well. Also, I just want to say that for the future, I will bring a tripod and film my massage in an upward angle. I actually didn't really plan on doing a massage video today, but you know what? I was there with my mom. She deserved it, and I just wanted to film this whole process. So next time, I promise it'll be a better video. Now, as you can see, I am massaging the sides of my mom's body. This technique is helpful, if you do a lot of oblique stretches, and basically if you just feel some soreness or pain in the sides of your body. And now I'll just be massaging the right side of my mom's body and basically doing the same thing again, really just feeling her muscles out, feeling where the tension is, and performing a relaxing massage for her. For the back, I would recommend giving around 15 to 25 minutes for the back. It really just depends on what you're feeling, how stressed the back is, if there's a lot of knots. For me, I like taking extra time on the back because I've noticed throughout this whole season, throughout COVID, people have been carrying so much stress in their neck and their shoulders, and this has just caused me to work extra hard and extra long on those areas because I want them to feel stress-free. I want them to feel a lot better after my sessions, and so that's why I just love a good back massage. And now, as you can see, I'm using my fingertips and my soft fists to really strip down the muscles on the shoulder blade, aka the scapula. I'm very excited for this new channel because I can't wait to show you all massage techniques and how to really help your loved ones during this crazy time in the world with COVID. I mean, this channel really came about because when I was massaging my clients, I noticed that everyone was just feeling extremely stressed out lately. No one's had massages in a while. Everyone's been waiting years to get massages, and they really felt a lot of that stress in their shoulders and in their neck. And that's why I want to help you all help relieve some of that stress that your family members or friends may be carrying through massage therapy. And you don't have to be an expert, you can just really follow my techniques, follow my movements, and even just a light touch can help someone feel a lot better. Who knows, some people like a light touch, some people do like a heavier touch, but the important thing to note is that touch is incredibly important. We need touch as humans, and it's just something that we need to survive. It's incredibly healing. It's such a loving feeling to be touched in a healthy way, in a loving way, and to know that you're safe as well. And so I hope that this video inspires you to try massaging someone that you love. It doesn't have to be your mom or your parental figure. It can be anyone that you love. And it can also be a nice gift as well to give to someone. A massage is always one of my favorite gifts. Now I'm going into the left side again because of course there's this knot that's still there and I want to keep working on it. So this is why I do spend a longer time on the back, because this is where you can really see a lot of stress in someone's body. I'm doing the deep work again into that same area, trying to get that knot out, but it looks like I'll have to come back for more sessions to help my mom's back. Now I'm putting an essential oil on my mom's back. It's called Sore No More, and this will just help heal the muscle, make it feel a lot better, especially because that muscle may feel a little bit sore after the massage. So sometimes I really love using essential oils in my massage practice. This is one of my favorite parts of massaging, which is the neck and shoulders. And right now I am just kneading the neck muscles. You can use one hand or two hands to knead both sides of the neck. And this is just so relaxing. It even makes some of my clients fall asleep because this is where a lot of the stress and tension is. And even if you have a lot of headaches, a shoulder and neck massage can really help with your headaches and migraines. So now this is like the final farewell to the back and neck and shoulders. I'm just rocking her back and forth, making her feel comforted and safe. And this motion is just a comforting feeling in general, just like how you rock a baby back and forth. I'm sure the baby feels soothed and cared for by the mother. So I'm just going to show a little bit of a leg massage, not too much, but this is like a sneak peek of how I massage the hamstrings and calves. I actually gave my mom a full body massage on this specific day, but yeah, this is how you massage the hamstrings. And usually if you have a lot of lower back pain, that's because your glutes and your hamstrings are tight. All those muscles connect together, the lower back muscles, the hamstrings, the glutes, they're all connected. So when they're all tight, that can cause a lot of pain and stress in your lower back. So I would recommend having focus on those certain areas when you have the pain in your lower back. Thank you so much again for watching this video, everyone. I hope that this video helped with some techniques and some knowledge on massage therapy, and I hope that you can really help your loved ones heal through massage therapy. I love you all so much, and I'll see you in the next video, everyone. Bye!